Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today I'm going to share with you how you can sell B2C products and services on LinkedIn. Now, it's not going to be as easy as selling B2B products on LinkedIn. What you have to do is you have to be in directly and you have to use content discovery features on LinkedIn to find your right audience. As an example, let's imagine I want to sell tents to consumers. I'm not doing tent wholesale. I want to connect directly to the consumer. You have to understand how content marketing works and how you use social media today to generate an audience which is interested in a certain topic. As an example, what's the lifestyle choices that a person is interested in buying a tent like? What are they interested in? For example, someone interested in buying a tent might also be interested in the broader topic of outdoor activities, outdoor sports, camping, rafting, hiking, traveling, going to the mountains, buying some hiking boots. What you want to do is you want to create content for that lifestyle. Create video content, text content, photos, documents, not something for your tents. Nobody's going to watch tent ads for 24/7. You have to be someone who is helping them enjoy their life. You have to become someone as a company. You have to become someone who is helping them live this lifestyle to the fullest. As an example, what you could create would be the top 10 travel destinations, the top 10 tips how to avoid blisters in your shoes when hiking. This is a great topic that would perfectly fit into someone. If someone is hiking at some point, they're going to need a tent. By using all of those connected topics, you're entertaining your audience, you're educating them about their lifestyle. They're building an emotional bond with your business because you're providing all of this valuable content. You could also talk about what are the top 10 things that you should take on every hiking trip, how to put up a tent when it's really stormy and windy. What is the perfect way to fold a tent? Like every once in a while, throw something in that it's not just about your product, but about tents in general. And it will help people to further build the relationship with you, even though you're not promoting. You can always show your tents when you're like doing the exercise, but by showing your tent, you're indirectly priming them to associate all of this value with your brand. And then every once in a while, just put like a direct ad inside, like praise all of your features. You can talk about that you developed this new tent and all the different features and all the different technologies and materials and what is the greatest tent. You have to create a content strategy that is catering to the entire lifestyle. If you're selling tents, you want to talk about the entire lifestyle of outdoor, hiking, camping, all shebangs, everything that's included in that. Then you want to build content that is valuable to that lifestyle. Whenever possible, talk about something generic such as what is the perfect way to fold a tent or how to put up a tent when it's windy, but then use your own product to promote this video and they subconsciously will associate the value with yourself. And by you creating this content and also by you seeding those hashtags, making them really interested, and people can follow hashtags on LinkedIn, that's really powerful. Once you start creating content for all of those hashtags, you will see more people subscribing to those hashtags, and then you're the one who owns the hashtags. You're the one who's always trending on those hashtags. Then it's super powerful. And then you will see that a lot of people having similar interests also following those hashtags and will start like following different hashtags. And then they will connect with your page and want to get more information from you. And that's basically, in a nutshell, how you can sell to B2C customers on LinkedIn. Now let me know in the comments below what you think about B2C selling. Have you tried it on LinkedIn? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos about LinkedIn marketing, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn notification bell on. And if you want to learn more about how you can generate leads for your business, how you can find customers and clients with LinkedIn marketing, also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I put the link down in the description and into the pinned comments below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.